Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jackie, and in today's video I bring you my first unboxing of the year / what's on my bag. Both of these items, the one I'm unboxing plus my bag, are from the brand Saint Laurent. And I am also very excited to show you a few jewelry pieces that are new in my collection from the brand Linjer. I will leave all of these items in the description box down below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And now let's get to the video. So guys, and as always, I want to start with the sponsor of this video, which are my new jewelry pieces from the brand Linjer. If you have been following me for a while, you know that this is not the first time I get items from this brand. And again, I have to say, wow, the durability and the quality of the Linjer jewelry is amazing. I have been using the items I got the first time non-stop, and believe me, they are still intact, they look beautiful, and whenever I go out, I get asked where do I get this jewelry, especially my earrings. The items I got the first time are from their pearl collection, and I really love them. So Linjer is a luxury brand that makes high quality jewelry at affordable prices. They have been around since 2014, which means they have over a decade of experience, and that adds to their credibility. Their mission is to empower women around the world with luxe sustainable pieces at fair prices. And I love that they use sustainable materials on all of their pieces, like silver and recycled gold, just like this beautiful 14 karat gold necklace that I received. This one is called the petal chain necklace and has 3 adjustable lengths of 16, 17, and 18 inches. This one is pure gold, guys, and is beautiful. I also received the pearl bracelet ingrid made with water pearls and gold vermeil, and I am so happy I got this one because I finally complete my Linjer pearls collection. So guys, as you can see, I am deeply in love with all the jewelry pieces from the brand Linjer, and I highly recommend that you check their website because they have some gorgeous pieces that I love, and I really think that you will love them too. Now you can get a special offer if you use my discount code JCrossTag, all in capitals, or just go directly to the description box below this video where I will leave a link where you can shop all the items I am wearing. Thank you so much to Linjer for sponsoring this video. And now we get to the second part of this video, which is unboxing my Saint Laurent card holder. Now this card holder has been on my wish list for about 3 to 4 years, but I never pulled the trigger because I was not sure if I needed it, because I have a large wallet from Prada, and that's the one I was using all the time. So I am in love with my card holder. It's just a small thing, but it makes me happy and I really love it. I love the big logo and the color. It's amazing. To me, it's amazing, and it's such a good quality. So guys, there you have it, everything that fits on my beautiful Saint Laurent Sunset bag. And for reference, this one is on the size medium. I have this bag for around 3 years and the bag is still intact. Nothing has happened to it. The leather is still beautiful, no scratches. As you can see, the hardware still has the same color, like new. I really love Saint Laurent. I highly recommend that if you want to buy your first designer bag, will be a Saint Laurent bag, because the quality of this brand is amazing. But guys, don't forget to use my discount code on the Linjer website for a special offer, or just go below this video on the description box and you can get a special link where you can shop all of the items in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hope to see you on my next one.